2024 with 102 sales in December, which is up 61.9% from December 2023's 61 homes sold. It's Friday, January 17th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Since inventory remains limited in the Annapolis area and buyers are still interested in purchasing, especially knowing that home prices will increase between 3 and 6% this year, it will be challenging on both price and availability. December closed out the median price for homes sold at $564,703, 8.9% over the December 2023 price of $518,444. Homes for first-time buyers in the area are far and few between. 26% of homes listed for sale are priced over $1 million. Annapolis inventory for sale dropped again this week to 104. 19 properties are coming soon. 15 homes went under contract in 49 days this past week, reflecting a steep rise in days before contract from prior months. 16 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 6 days. Rentals are at 43 homes priced at $2,995 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 17th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.